What is up, everyone? I am rife with anticipation to bring you this video here today. It is Friday, December 2nd. I have been waiting to anoint these the shoe of the year, and it has been 2 weeks to get them in hand. I got these through the first drop with A Ma Maniere on November 17th. They did not ship until November 28th, and I did not get them until just right now, and I cannot wait to see what these look like in hand. From the photos, these are the most amazing release of the year for me, but I have heard of quality control issues with some, and there's nothing like evaluating them for yourself to know. They say absence makes the heart grow fonder. They also say never meet your heroes. Which one is it going to be? Let's find out together. Initial impressions, this is very, very nice packaging. We've got a plastic film around the entire box, all with the A Ma Maniere A. It's a very nice touch. We have the box inside, it's a sleeve. The box itself, beautiful color. A Ma Maniere on the side, and we've got a nice texture over the bottom, but it's time to see the shoes. Ooh, this is kind of neat. What is that? Looks like a dot matrix of Michael Jordan. That's pretty cool. Paper, we have the same A's. And the shoe itself, man, I'm hoping I got a clean pair. I'm really hoping I got a clean pair. Crossing my fingers. Not the cleanest. Not the cleanest. We got some crinkling along there. A little bit of a bend on this side. Not sure if they just laced it down a little bit too tight. Probably should try to free that up. Give it a little bit more slack. I tell you what, I really wanted to love these. On paper, they are absolutely beautiful in concept. The colorway, the design, the rivet here with the A, the kind of super clean line at the top. I love everything about this design. I've heard the execution was lacking. I think it kind of is a little bit, at least with this singular shoe, but there's an element of this that I love that I think actually is going to come to fruition, which is this is a shoe that I think is going to look better and better the more that you wear it. The nubuck on this example already looks pretty worn in, and it looks like the type of material that the more you wear it, you crease it a little bit, it's just going to weather and get more beautiful with age, which is something that I love about this Jordan 4 in particular, especially when you compare it to some other hype Jordan 4s. For example, the Travis Scott Cactus Jack in blue. You put that shoe in the sun for a bit and it starts to look like trash. I think this, by comparison, is going to age beautifully. Let's see the other shoe. Unfortunately, this one isn't that much better. We've got some marks, some glue stains, some creasing. Overall, I tend to agree with the consensus out there that this shoe has some quality control issues, but just to make sure, let's call in some reinforcements. I did not bought this, I promise, but I did have my wife also try to secure a pair, and she did. On the initial release day, it arrived at the same time. She did not want these shoes for herself, so she got them in my size. And let's see if this pair fares any better. Man, I was gonna say this one is cleaner, but like, look at the lace holes. I don't know if you can see that. The glue stains on those. Kind of mismatched color with the paneling. Look at that, between that panel and that panel. But again, I do think these are gonna wear in beautifully. I think the silhouette is absolutely gorgeous. Let's check the other shoe real quick. Yeah, in general, I think that this second pair is a cleaner pair, even if it's not 100% perfect. So let's evaluate these for the purpose of this video. This shoe has a meaning behind it. According to A Ma Maniere, this moment is inspired by the Black and brown leaders changing the world from the heart of their community with purpose, passion, and vision, built on the value of consistent action being the only recipe for progress, a standard set by trailblazers committed to the tireless work generational change would take to be achieved. The A Ma Maniere Air Jordan 4 draws on the promise of youth to be the catalysts for change, standing up in the face of adversity and divisiveness, standing firm on our ethos of timelessness on a silhouette renowned for its impact and significance across time. This moment serves to bring a generation together to form a better future with hope and bravery in the face of doubt and uncertainty. This is about where we're going, and the future depends on us all. I thought it was also very cool that the initial raffle for these was given to people who made a video about the impact that they're having on their communities in a positive way. A Ma Maniere did a really great job of getting these into the hands of people that are making their community better, and also trying to combat the bots and make sure these got in the hands of actual consumers. I almost half want to apologize for getting two pairs. That wasn't intentional. I really just needed one, although if you know this channel, you know that I love having one to wear and one to stare because I am OCD like that. Back into this shoe. The color is beautiful. The colorway is beautiful. The match between the violet ore with the black, with the sail, with the, what is that? Burgundy. The hit of gray and black on the bottom, and one of my favorite touches, the Nike Air on the back in this dark gray, and this rivet with the A Ma Maniere A. It is just a beautiful design. The quilted liner, I know everyone loves it. I don't know, it's a little bit frou-frou for me. It does look nice, but completely unnecessary in my opinion. I still love that this is such a clean cut right here. I think that really makes this shoe distinguished. If I had to tell you my opinion on A Ma Maniere and what they're doing, I think they're the new Union LA of this generation. They've established themselves through very consistent releases to just be a cut above the rest with what they're doing in terms of materials, design, cohesiveness. I am thoroughly impressed, although the quality control leaves just a touch to be desired. On the insole, we have A Ma Maniere, inspired by street culture, fashion, and the greatest athlete in history, 2022, approved by Michael Jordan. On the back tab inside, we have a quote. It's not about the shoe, it's about where you're going. I love the quote. I think from a design perspective, it is the one element of the shoe that just doesn't quite fit right. The font, the color, it just feels off. I think if they chose a more handwritten font, like what you see on the Flight, maybe a cursive, something that gives it a bit more humanizing touch, and if they went with a color that is pulled from the rest of the shoe, a lighter sail or a beige, instead of just this white, that would have been over the top amazing. But overall, they did a fantastic job. Now, is it the shoe of the year? Quality control issues aside, and I know it's hard to do that, especially for those of you who got pairs that are subpar. For me, I think it absolutely is. I think on feet, this shoe is gonna look absolutely incredible. I think that the quality control issues that you're seeing out of the box are going to become less and less relevant or material as you actually start to wear this shoe. And I think that's great. I think a shoe with a fantastic design that you're gonna be able to wear in, really thoroughly enjoy, is part of what makes this shoe of the year. And they did it in a way where it's the materials that are doing the talking, not kind of a manufactured weathered look like what you're getting on the Lost and Founds. The Lost and Founds, I know that people love them. They just feel a little too artificial to me for that look. I personally prefer what they've done with the Volt colorway. Those I called Rockstar Jordan 1s. I still love those. I think I personally, in terms of a wear, prefer those to the Lost and Found. Call me crazy. I am gonna get these on feet inside my house just to see how they look. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Let me know what you think about these shoes in the comments below. Did you snag a pair? Was the quality okay? Do you like the style? Or did A Ma Maniere miss the mark on these? Let me know, and I will catch you at the next one soon.